So you're talking, Lewis, then in your back office on Amazon, you'd put that in the skill, or you're putting it in your back office.
Yeah, you
Is
go
the
to
different
Amazon seller,
variations? And
huh?
then the prep center would pick that up on it because they have some. I'm asking these questions because I haven't done it yet, but
Right.
then the prep center would automatically know, right?
Yeah, but it shouldn't be an issue because of the title too. It's not the same title. So here, right? If you click on this, it's gonna give you like a different color. So
Gotcha.
yeah,
Well, I think my question is, so the prep center knows the difference just because they have access to that data on their Amazon,
yeah, and they have
right?
access. Oh yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
okay,
they have access to your Amazon seller account also. So they can
okay,
see it too.
right, okay.
Yeah, and then I think Brian was asking this the other day. Are you there, Brian?
Yeah, yeah, I'm here.
Like,
Yeah,
how do you know the sales per month, right? Per variation?
yeah. I was wondering, how do you decipher, like, if you are going to pick a color, only one color, like which one would be the one to pick? That's selling
Right.
the most, whatever.
So for example, this one, right? This one is, I would look for the color.
Mm-hmm.
So the color is black, right? For this one.
Yep.
And then from here, you go to your Keepa. You click on variations.
Okay.
And then you look for the color. So for example, here, this is the black one, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
And then from here, you would look at the percentage of ratings. So this one is 18%, right?
Meaning of all the items that sold, it's 18% of the sales came from that color.
Right. As far as their ratings, based on their ratings.
Ratings. Okay.
Yeah, so 18% goes to the black color, right?
Yep.
So now you would go to the sales per month, which is 955,
Right.
and then you would get 18% of the sales per month.
Okay. All right. So, okay, I got you. So it
Yeah,
should be 8 of the total sales.
right. So for this one, so for the black one, this one is selling about 171 times a month.
Got it.
Yeah. But it's not really accurate because no one really knows, or there's no software to get the accurate data. So this one is an estimate. So for variations, I would always do like a test buy.
Lewis, what did you get for an answer? What did you do? Just 955 times 0.18?
So 955 times 0.18.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you like, if you were to go with this product, would you typically go with however many colors they have and just buy like an equal amount of each and just see how it happens, or actually dig deep enough to go, nah, I'm just going to go with this color because this color is by far selling the most?
Right. So for this one, I would go for the black for sure. Well, depending on the competition, right? So 171 sales a month, shared by all these people. I mean, it's pretty decent. So I'll probably go with the black one for sure. And then I usually look at the other colors. So for example, this one, right?
Yep.
What is this, like spring paisley? So I would do the same thing. I would go to variations. And then I would look for that color, which is, where is it?
There's a lot of variations.
Yeah, right here.
Okay.
So look for spring paisley, that color. This one though only has like 1% of the sales.
Yeah, it wouldn't even be worth your time.
Which is about 9 sales a month. Right. So for me, the black is good, but the other one's not.
Well, here's the thing though. I'm wondering if it's going to get more sales now because it only looks like there's 2 colors left, right?
Yeah.
So that might, I don't know how that would change, might change the amount of sales it gets now. I don't know.
Yeah, I agree. It just depends. That's why I would always do like a test buy.
Yeah.
For variations because there's so many like factors, right? Because this one product is like how many variations? Like a lot, right?
Yeah. And then one other question, can you go back? So it's just talking about the black one right now. Like if you're actually considering selling this item and you go to look at the competition.
Okay, so black. And then a competition. Let's see. Okay.
So I noticed that really only 2 are selling it for $34, right? Even though there's
Right.
a bunch on there. So like in your mind, when you're doing calculations, you'd be like the 3rd guy coming in at $34.99, basically, right?
Right. Well, in my mind, it's gonna take my products about like 2-3 weeks or so
Yeah,
to hit the Amazon warehouse.
right.
So these 2 are gonna be gone by then.
So
Or
you
maybe
could
like
be
the first,
that's charging $34.99.
yeah, or like some of these people too, right here,
Yeah.
probably gonna be sold out by then. So
So you're almost thinking you barely have almost no competition if you're selling it for $34.99.
right. Yeah. And that's why I look at Keepa too, so I can see like how the price is I guess like fluctuating.
Yeah, it's been
So if you
staying.
look at the past 3 months, right? It's selling between like $50 to like 45, I would say.
Yeah, it's been hovering around 40 something.
Right. And then if you go to the yearly chart, I mean, it's selling at like $50.
Yeah,
So to me, if I just undercut everyone, right?
yeah,
And sell at 34, I mean, it should move no matter what.
100%.
Unless you want to stay at 50, right? And
Right.
just,
You
yeah,
wait a while,
right.
probably.
Yeah. So,
My mentality is just sell it as fast as humanly possible.
right.
Less problems that can come up.
Yeah. So,
Oh, one other question. Are you actually using that Amazon Scout for anything, or is that just, I saw that on your computer? Are you using that, or is that just use
Amazon Scout. Oh, here? Oh,
little emblem thing?
I used to.
Okay, but you're not really like actively using that or recommending it
No,
anymore?
because when Seller M came out, it gives me like all the data that I need. So
Got it.
yeah, I used to use RevSeller, this one right here, and like another software. So yeah,
Right, every plugin they've ever made, I'm sure.
right. But Seller M, yeah, but Seller M is the best in my opinion. So, or at least I love it. So all right, are we good, guys? For now?
I'm good.
Yeah, there's another
For
training.
now, for now.
Yeah, there's one more training tonight. You guys know that, right? At 6 o'clock.
There's
So
more.
we're
There
gonna
is
have a guest
another.
speaker. Huh?
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna have a guest speaker. His company has sold $15 million in sales for the products. So, we're gonna be talking bigger numbers with this guy and learn.
Sounds like
Oh,
a guy.
Sounds
perfect.
good?
Sounds
Alright.
good. Thanks,
So I'll
Louis.
send you another link, okay? For the
Good.
next
Okay.
call.
All right.
All right. See you guys. Thank you.
Bye.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.